Hey there, everybody. This is James again. Hey, I just wanted to touch base with you and answer a couple questions that you might have. One of the questions I ran into earlier today is, why is EASEL making me pay for it or asking me to pay for it? I don't want to pay for it. I want to use the free version. That's what I signed up for. Well, simple. Anything that says Pro next to it or New, they want you to pay for it. This right here says Pro. I could just drop the text on there and generate G-code, and it'll ask me to pay for it. It is a yearly subscription of $155.88 plus tax, or a monthly version of $20. I don't want to pay for it. I don't use it enough to justify $155.88 or $19 a month. Though that's a NetScript subscription, I just don't want to pay for it. So, simple fix. Get rid of the stuff that you use. I'm going to show you here that I'm going to put another text on here, one that is free. Just do something with it. I'm going to try to generate G-code. So if I generate G-code, it still asks me to pay for it. Why? Because I have a subscription-based text on here. A feature that they want you to pay for. A feature that comes with the Pro version. So if I delete that, that's all I did was just simply delete it and then try to go generate G-code again. There it goes. I have my G-code. I can export my G-code. Now, there's some in the bits. If you add a bit, any of them, it's going to make you pay. Use just what they have right here. This little section right here. You don't need much more than this. You can buy a bit. I don't want to buy a bit. I've already paid for my bit. I don't want to pay for a virtual bit. These V-bits, you're going to have to pay for them. They're part of the Pro version plan. Okay. I'm going to show you another feature here. New. It's going to drop an image, any image. Let's say the strawberry. And try to generate G-code. It's going to ask you to pay for it. Let's get rid of that and show you that it is that strawberry. There, it generated my G-code. Now I'm going to go back into the shapes. Go to basics. I'll plant it right there. I'm going to generate G-code. Generated G-code. So anything that says Pro next to it, such as your bits, Pro plus add a bit, or your V bits, or your fonts, this says Pro next to it. You can add a font too. You can upload a font. But it's going to be the Pro version that's going to allow you to do that. Anything that says New is going to make you pay for it. So there again, these are features that they're going to want you to pay for. Not everything in your apps, but I have no reason to use the apps. I use Inkscape. If I want this font or a specific font that EASEL wants me to pay for, I will simply type what I want in Inkscape, save it in a SVG, and import it. Import SVG. I can adjust my fonts or SVGs just the same as I can here with their actual font. That way I don't have to pay for it. So, with no further ado, I bid you all farewell. You have a good day. Happy cutting, guys.